Hey there, welcome back with another episode of Lights, Camera, Studio in 30 days.
We've got our blank canvas and our freshly painted room ready to be transformed into a high-end video studio. Next up, the fun part, filling it with top-notch equipment.
We knew we wanted to create a studio that could handle anything for our clients, anything they threw at us. So we teamed up with experts who specialize in helping businesses create multi-purpose studios. And they helped us figure out exactly what we needed.
First, we had to ask ourselves what kind of videos we wanted to offer our clients.
We knew that our goal was to ensure we had the highest quality video and audio.
But we also knew we wanted to offer clients versatility and endless opportunities to record.
That's right. After tons of feedback and research, we felt confident in our decisions.
We went for a triple camera setup to ensure we can get every angle.
We also invested in a camera switcher that makes editing a breeze. It lets us seamlessly switch between angles with a touch of a button.
We also got the super cool adjustable product demonstration table.
That's right. It's perfect for showcasing anything from tiny gadgets to larger products.
And we didn't forget about lighting. We chose lights with a range of colors to add different effects to our videos, much like what you'd see in a movie or TV show.
We also wanted to include a teleprompter so that anyone, even with little or no experience, could deliver professional-grade videos without memorizing scripts.
We also wanted the highest quality sound, so we got top-notch wired and wireless microphones to ensure you get that sophisticated podcast sound.
We're talking crystal clear sound. Crystal clear sound quality that could make any voice sound like a pro.
To complete the package, we've added acoustic panels to the room.
These sound absorbing panels will help reduce echoes and improve overall audio quality.
We're super excited about how this studio is coming together. It's going to be a game changer for our clients.
Stay tuned for our next episode where we finalize the setup and get ready for our grand opening.